Today we're going to work on the uppercase and lowercase p. So in the first box it says the letter P. This is a capital P or an uppercase. Capital and uppercase mean the same thing. Then it says color it green. So we're going to take our green and color it green, making sure that we stay in the lines. Then I'm going to go down here and it says color the picture. This is a pear. Pear. What other P words can you think of? Pear. P, 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 p. What other words have the P start or beginning? There is pink. So I think I'm going to make my pear pink. There's also purple, pigeon, popcorn. A toy my daughter really likes is Polly Pocket. They both start with P. Puppy, penguin. Okay, now it says circle it. So now we're going to look and find all the capital P's. Is this a capital P? No, it's a capital M. Is this a capital P? No, that's a capital P. Is this a capital P? Yes, so we're going to circle it. Then going down to the C, it's not a P. Now I want you to find the other P's in that section. So right now I just want you to look and see where are the other P's in this section. There are 3 other P's. You can circle them. 1, 2, that's an S, and then a P. Even though they're different fonts, they're still P's. Okay, then we're going to go down here, because remember we go from left to right when we read, left to right. So we're going to trace the P. Now there's 2 ways you can do this. You can go from the solid line, go all the way around, back up, so it's like a floating P and then a line down. Or you can do the line first and then make almost like a bump B. If I did one more bump, it would look like a capital B. It's up to you which way works better for you. But when we're making the line down, it goes from the solid line to solid line. It does not go past. And then in this one, you're going to connect the capital P to the other capital P by following the lines. You're following on the dotted lines. This one's kind of curvy. And then down here, you're going to do the same thing. This one's more pointy. Okay, then down here it says circle or dot the letter below. So we're going to go through each of them. Is this a P? No. Is this a P? Yes. So then I'm going to color it in. Okay, I want you to look at the other ones and fill them in. So are there any other P's? I see 3 more P's. Yep, there's one right here. So we have an A, so we're not coloring that in. We have a P, we colored in. We have an M, we're not coloring in. And we have another P. Oh, there's a T. We're not coloring it in. Then we have another P, yes. So we're going to color it in. Are we done? No. This one's an F, but this one is a P, yes. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 capital P's. And then on the other side, we're going to be looking at the lowercase p's. Right up here that says name, you can practice writing your name there. N-A-M-E is name. So it says the letter P. So we're going to trace it with our finger. We can do a line down and then a bump, or we can do a circle and then a line. Color it brown. So we want to find our brown. If I'm not sure, I can always look at the name. So right there, it says brown. I can compare that to the word. We're going to color so that we're not out of the lines. We want to stay in those lines. We want it to look neat. Oops. I went a little over. If we go a little bit over, that's okay too, but we don't want to go all over and crazy. We want it to look neat. But everybody makes mistakes. Okay, so there's our lowercase p, and then it says color the picture. This is a picture of a pirate. A pirate. Another word that starts with P is purple. So I'm going to make my pirate purple, or at least most of him. Color shorts, color shirt. And then I think I might color his hat pink. I'm going to leave the crossbow bones white. And then I'm going to color his shoe and his peg leg, that's what this is, pink. And I'm going to color my pirate. Could even give him a little bit of purple hair. So there's my pirate. Okay, then we're going to move over to the next one. It says circle it. So we're going to circle the lowercase p's. Now, capital P's or uppercase P's and lowercase p's look very similar, especially when there is not lines. So we have to be very careful when we look for them. These are all lowercase letters, so we're just going to assume that they are lowercase. So the first one right here is a P. The next one is an A. Then we have another A. And then we have a P. Okay, now I want you to try the bottom row on your own. Okay, we have P here, and we have P here. This one's an E, and this one's an F, so we do not circle it. Then down here, we see how the lowercase and the capital P are different. This one, we have the dotted lines, and the lowercase p does not go above the dotted line. If we're doing the circle, we go from the dotted line all the way around back to the dotted line. Then for the bottom part, we go dotted line all the way to the solid line, and we keep going. Circle around, go to the dotted line, go all the way past the solid line, all the way down. Circle, line, circle, line. Okay, now we're going to find those lowercase p's. The first one they gave is a P, so I'm going to color that one in. Okay, now I want you to find where are the other p's on your paper. Is this a P? No, that's an S. Is this a P? No, that's an A. Is this a P? Yes. Okay, is this one a P? No, that's an A. C, A, there's a P. Okay, good job. Now I want you to show your work to an adult or a brother or sister or aunt or uncle or grandma or grandpa, whoever's with you. and show them each of the parts. Great job. Kiss your brain. Good job.